Life. It's not made of routines or to-do lists. It's made of moments. Moments of surprise. Of fun. And messiness. Of impulse. And togetherness. Of youth. And playfulness. Of mastery. And tastiness. Of joy. And total and complete madness. Let's capture these moments. Let's capture life. Introducing the new Polaroid Snap Touch. For the moments that touch your life.
When instant film first came out in 1972, it was the most incredible product people had ever seen. What's amazing about it is that it's still magical today.
Life is so busy and fast-paced, so when you stop and you really think about composing that image, it's almost like time's pausing.
The thing is, there hasn't been a camera system developed for this format of film for over 20 years. So that's what really motivated us to create a future for this with the i1.
I imagine that I will not design that many products, in my life. So the few products I design, I want to be really good. Just making another analog camera, it's not enough.
We designed the i1 to be a great point-and-shoot camera, but for photographers and artists, they want more control.
Instant film is about working within limitations. But the more control you have within these limitations, the more freedom you get to be creative.
You can put the camera in Bluetooth mode, the light blinks blue, it looks for your phone, and we created an app that gives you all these controls that allows you to go in and change the shutter speed and aperture.
With the i1, we are able to create instant photographs that were never possible before.
You've got your beautiful camera, you've got a pack of film that really helps you stop and stay in the moment.
I would say the only vision I have is to make something I've never seen before.
This isn't something that's about saving the past. It's all about giving creative tools to creative people.
We're Lomography, and we're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter to present to you your everyday instant inspiration, the Lomo'Instant Automat. It's the most advanced automatic instant camera out there. It automatically adjusts shutter speed, aperture, and flash output to every and any lighting situation. It has fast and easy focusing. It's the most compact, minimal size possible, and yet it gives you all the creative freedom you need with an extensive range of features and accessories. Since first diving into the world of instant photography in 2014, our product development team has been working hard to bring you amazing instant creations. The Lomo'Instant Automat is the sum of all we've learned. We've created something even bigger, even better. Wait a minute, it's actually much smaller. And the best thing about it? You don't even have to think twice. Because life is about moments. Don't wait for them, chase them. Auto mode on, brain off. Get perfectly exposed images even in low light situations. For each and every frame, foreground and background, dusk till dawn. Shoot crazy light paintings, beautiful night scenes, and so much more with the long exposure mode. Add splashes of colour with the colour gel filters. Create layers and textures with unlimited multiple exposures. And shake up your perspective with the wide angle, fisheye, and close-up lens attachments. In an ever more digital world, nothing beats the rush of holding a snapshot in your hands and watching it develop in seconds like a living, physical memory. Because instant photography doesn't stop at the click of the shutter. The Lomo'Instant Automat makes the whole world shareable, lets you live in the moment and embrace the now. Make every moment count. Back us on Kickstarter now to be one of the first to own a Lomo'Instant Automat.